Okay, job today, bearings, hub, and I'm going to show you something that is, let's have a look what we got here. So these came from eBay, 4 of them there, don't forget those, forget them, just these 4 here. So these came from eBay, seal on them, ready to go, nice, £6 for all 4. That'll do a trailer both sides, so to each side of course. Alright, hold on one sec. Okay, get the trailer, inch shaft. It's alright, not bad. Clean that up, no problem whatsoever. Need a seal for the back. Do they fit? Do they hell? So, back, take down the actual hub and everything. Let's go back. There we go, is that upside down? That's right. So we get a bearing. Look, it just goes straight in. You don't even have to knock it in. Look at the gap. So, go down to our local bearing store and pick up these. There we are. There's a pack of 8. These are not 8 bearings. You've got 4 bearings and 4 outer sleeves. Okay. See them all right? And these fit. Okay, so I'm going to knock these in and get this bearing done. The reason why I'm showing this video is be careful when you buy a trailer or an old one, because at the end of the day, £6, £80, and he threw in 2 seals which are not going to fit anyway, so that's the seal I want. I'll just reuse the seal, be alright. So yeah, £80, £6. Okay, let's get fitting. I won't show you this one fitting them, I will show you the next one. Okay, just going to show you this one. I might have to cut this a little bit. But... So what I'm doing, I get the old bearing, clean it, and I'm going to place that on top of this one. And using a nice lump hammer, just tap it down. You've got to try and do it so it's even, so you need to do it. It should just go without too much trouble, and it'll become solid. Okay, so just this way now, like this hammer. I renovated this one. You get the change, that means we're down and this one's stuck. So if you can look inside, I don't know if you can see beyond that. Well, if you look right down, and give a bit of light on this. There we go. So right in here, you should be able to see it's almost flush. Can you see that? It's a bit. There we go. So this part here has got to be flush. You can hear it hits the metal. Same with the top one. So if we turn it round, if you look down there, see it? Okay, there we go. The mudguard on. Welded it to the chassis. This side's done. Now the bearing and the mudguard the other side, but the bracket's already on this. Right, so one of the bearings, when we took it off, didn't have a wash on, so I've had to modify a washer to fit it. Some of these people are bodges. I've just finished grinding it down so it fits. It actually fits perfect, and I'm just going to put a slight bevel on the edge. See that? The grease cap on the inside will clip over it and hold it nice and tight. I know you shouldn't use your fingers, but I'm being careful. I just put a little bevel on it. It's not hot. Going to put a little bevel, a bit more. That's it. That should be fine.
With a U-grinder.
U-grinder? U-welder works really well. Welder. Works welders.